By 5, because as per the Kenyan constitution, the polling station diaspora should be open as from 6, then closes are from 5:30. So by then, that's our timeline. Make sure every Kenyan come out and they vote.
Yes. What time did you arrive?
I was here from 6 because we have issues of our documentation. Me as a youth leader, and I was also an agent for the Azimio. So we had our issue with the credential, the oath of the secrecy. But I think we are working on it. Everything is going smooth as per now.
You told me that you mobilized youth.
Yeah, I'm Phelix Kajwanga. I'm the youth leader, diaspora, Uganda. Then I think we have made some milestone, but as per now, what the discussion we have with the high commissions, we still need to register more. Like in the next election, I think we need to engage embassy and all the protocols. Make sure all the Kenyans in Uganda, they don't left out and take part in this activity.
How many Kenyans do you think have missed to cast their votes?
Those who are not registered, I know there are many, but due to so many reasons, others could not even access their national ID.
Like an estimation of how many?
Let me say 40,000 have been left. There are so many Kenyans in Barara, there are many Kenyans in Jinja, and this IBC was only based in Kampala. And due to logistic issues, some were not able to come because they were not facilitated. Yes.
Bampita Freddy Kodwaro Nyango, ni msajja mjaluo, mva Siaya District, Nyanza Province, and nzize wano Okulonda, naye ate kibadde nti saakola transfer. Naye ate nsanze sibadde bw'omu balina abalala naye tetulonze. Naye muli munda tulo nonzi naye tutusewa ne batugamba tutwakola transfer ne batugamba tingeje tutwakola transfer tetusobola kola ki kulonda tubaye tukyakaya nane tugendako mu ndoomo ne tutikako fingerprints era still mo ne batugamba ta ne wankubadde mwina fingerprints ningeje timwakola transfer temujja kulonda kitulumye nnyo. Gwe bayita Raila Odinga gwe mmanyira era wagenda kubeera nkakasa taata era nkakasa lwa nsonga nti ne mama ne yanza mwanyinazi nkakasa lwa nsonga omusajja ono azenga arwanira Kenya ate nga anakuwangula nga awangula by'amazima naye bagenda bamubba buli kaseera bagenda bamubba buli kaseera naye kati ku luno tulina obukakafu nti buli ngeri agenda kutwala entebe era fe abali eno mbutufu tulina mu bukakafu tuno wanaba tuta entebe wagenda kubeerawo nkyukakyuka y'amaanyi wagenda kubaawo abantu abatalina mirimu bigenda kubaawo kubanga muntu abadde mu gundi mu system eno bbanga ddene era alabye obutali obulimu bw'abantu era amanyi obutuufu nga bwe bulina okuba n'obubbi bwennyini abulabye.
It means a lot, because we needed a leader, someone who will take us to another level. So I slept with this in mind, that in the morning I have to rise up and exercise my citizenship. Cast our thoughts to the people we believe can change the lives of Kenya, and that's our interest, and that's why we are here as early as morning. We want to do the right thing. We want to constitute what the constitution tells us as citizens of
what I can tell President of Kenya, what we need is just peace. We need unity. We just don't need like fights, people separating, bringing grudges. It's not good at all. Tunafurahia kuwa wa Kenya, so tunapenda tukue pamoja kila wakati, hata tuko ku diaspora wanatubeba vizuri. So we hope the way huku wanatuhandle poa, we hope the Kenya also there will be peace as well.
Mawange fedda nga tuli bantu era tewali ayagala kavuyo. Twandeyagade fenna tubeere nga tuli bakakamu. Akalulu ka Kenya kano ku mulundi guno gubeere nga guli bulungi nnyo nga tewali okutinka nga tewali akavuyo konna. Sibwe bali.
Infrastructure, it is not complete, although we are glad with the previous previous government. It has done its part. We have so much expectations on the coming one.
Ni jambo la kawaida tu, kwa maana hiyo kama matoke sehemu za Uganda hapo na posho huko tunatuanga na sukuma wiki vizuri sana na vienda, ndio naona tunanyirira hivi, tuko smart.
Rizenu hapa wako organized, tumefurahia vile everything is organized. Alafu kama uko na shida wanakusaidia vizuri, all is well. Yeah.
My name is Ahmed Abdurrahman. I am a political agent for the UDA party, the United Democratic Alliance, under our leader William Samoei Ruto, the current Deputy President of Kenya, who today is participating in this election as a presidential candidate. And we hope by the end of business today, he will emerge as the victorious candidate in these elections. For transfer of voting location, and however, maybe some of them were in Kenya and they came to Uganda, but the IEBC hasn't been able to capture some of them. But most of them have been captured. So for those who have not yet been captured, it's an issue, and unfortunately they won't be able to vote because some of them didn't even verify their voter details in time, and hence they were left out.
Then I think we have made some milestone, but as for now, what the discussion we have with the I commissions, we still need to register more. Like in the next election, I think we need to engage embassy and all the protocols, make sure all the Kenyan and Uganda, they don't left out and take part in this activity.
Oh, my name is Salome Kibrona. I came from Elgeyo Marakwet County. I did not vote because I did not do my verification, but I could vote to William Samoei Ruto, my 50th president of Kenya, and I love him. Yes, we were so many, but we did not. We could not do our verification